Mm-mm, I got that good ish, and I ain't talking about Pooh Nanny. Million trillion dollar businesses, Grasshopper Global Infrastructure Company, Interstate 66 US and other countries praying for Moses part the Red Sea miracle, Pacific Ocean Ring of Fire artificial world. You got mountains removed, cast into the sea, engineer volcanoes into the ocean to create more land. I got that good ish, and I ain't talking about Pooh 90 million trillion dollar businesses, Grasshopper Global Infrastructure Company, San Andreas Artificial World, before lightning strike Hoover Dam, splitting San Andreas fault line plummet, then US into the ocean Atlantis.